Today we're going to speak about Paramecia. In my video about ciliates, I said that Paramecia are relatively easy to culture. So I decided to try it out myself, and the result was this. To start the Paramecium culture, I collected some water and plants from a pond. I put the plants and water in a jar and started a culture of Paramecia. Since Paramecia are 50 to 300 micrometers long, they can be seen with the naked eye under the right illumination conditions. Paramecia feed on bacteria, so it is essential to add nutrients into the culture so that bacteria can grow. For nutrients, I add boiled crushed wheat grains and yeast. After a few days, I saw a wide variety of ciliates in the culture. Some ciliates were dividing in a process of binary fission. If Paramecia are present in the samples, over time, they will reproduce and outcompete most of the other ciliates. Safety precautions must be taken due to the presence of bacteria. Some bacteria might be harmful. The culture should be handled with gloves. Any equipment used in making or observing the culture should be washed. For example, pipettes, microscope slides, cover slips, and tweezers. And anyone who tries this experiment should wash their hands afterwards. And that's the end of the video. Bye, see you next time.